and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get Pokemon TCG Pocket packs and free gold as well. So this is going to basically supply you with free packs in Pokemon's TCG Pocket. You can also get a bunch of free Poké Gold as well. So this is going to save you a bunch of money, and these are simple redeem codes that you can enter in the Pokemon TCG Pocket game, and it's going to supply you with the corresponding rewards. So in this case, free packs and also free Poké Coins. So you can do this on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or Android, just got to obviously have an internet connection. And open up the internet browser and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys, robot coupons, very important. You go directly to this website, hit the search bar at the top of the page and just search for what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for the Pokemon TCG Pocket redeem codes. Now, as I mentioned, there's a couple of different redeem codes that you can get. You can get 1,000 gold for free in Pokemon TCG Pocket. You can also get a free premium pass in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I believe the gold, you can basically purchase packs using the gold. So as well, say you can get free packs. So basically just select the gold one here. Because this is a pretty valuable code considering the price of Poké Gold, you need to unlock your exclusive redeem code. These are limited codes, guys, so it does take a few minutes to unlock your code, but it is pretty easy. So I'll run through the steps. So you're going to see this page here once it loads up. It says Code Unlocker. And essentially, guys, you need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your redeem code. So it says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code. Follow the instructions below each app. So you can see I've got a list of applications and surveys here, all completely free. And you just need to select 2 of them following the instructions and fully complete. So for example, you're going to see things like surveys. It's on here, it says answer the questions and fill in your valid details. So if you was to choose a survey, you just basically answer questions and then input your correct and valid email, because it does verify you as a real person. Alternatively, there may be things like mobile applications and games where you have to basically download them and play them until certain levels, or just follow the instructions, what it tells you to do. And anyway, once you've fully completed 2 of them, it'll redirect you back to this page and your code will be unlocked. So if you do everything correctly and verify yourself, your code will be revealed. So that is all you need to do, guys, and that is how to get free gold in Pokemon TCG Pocket and also free packs. So go to Robot Coupons and just follow through all of the instructions in this video. And yeah, super easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.